It's code like this that keeps professional programmers awake at night. For any professional programmers listening, imagine if across an entire project, all of your classes almost always had some sort of field for everything. Caches for everything. Duplicates of those caches for everything. Imagine if statements for everything. No switches, no fors, no whiles, no do-whiles, and certainly no arrays. No lists, no dictionaries, no inheritance, no structures, no constructors, and even no overloads. Only variables, for as far as the eye can see, inside an endless number of if statements, and I mean only if statements. Imagine if you were trying to build a birdhouse. However, instead of using glue, you use nails. For everything. Including the wood. That's sort of what this code looks like.